Here we are, from house to house, as well teaching genuine music, the saxophone orchestra and the saxophone ensemble of Vento do Norte. We all became very preoccupied when we got the information that one of our colleagues was infected by the coronavirus and we needed to stay in quarantine. Of course, we got a lot of questions. What to do? How long does it take? How does it go with all those infected persons? And how does it go with our colleague? Soon I got in contact with my students by using WhatsApp, Skype, Zoom, etc. And the first thing I told them, look, this item what we are using now is not an alternative. It's the way we're gonna work from now on. And there came all those questions from them. The sound, dynamical, it doesn't sound as well, etc., etc. Well, my answer was quite easy. Imagine it sounds acceptable now. Can you imagine how does it sound when you are in a real concert building? And well, from that moment on, we start to work and we start to use all the technology gives us, and we start to look for new applications. Well, one application is, for instance, a cappella. A cappella is you start to record one melody line, and on top of your own melody line, you start to record a second one or a third. That means you have to play, of course, in tune, but in tune with yourself is something different. The same is for timing or rhythmical. Then there is also what we can download from the net, which is Music -1. The piano accompaniment, you can download it and then you can play together with the, let's say, synthetic piano player. Also that requires quite flexibility because it's recorded in one time and even the rhythmical changes a little bit backward, a little bit forward. Well, that doesn't work, and there is missing, of course, the interaction with the piano player. But once more, the moment you can study your repertoire, it's for that moment you go real on live. Talking about live, I had the program on Facebook Live. It's every Sunday at 3 o'clock, which it's called Music in My House, which I change Music from My House, in where I present the Esmai saxophone class. That program we are producing together, me and my students, and we also invite special guests. The nice thing is that after the broadcasting, the next time we meet each other, we start to analyze all those recordings. What can we do better in terms of sound, in terms of movement, physical, but also musically, of course. The lighting, the position to your device, let's say 1 meter, 1.5 meters, etc. And it's all one big preparation for that moment we are back on stage, of course. And what we learned from that is, we have our limitations, but don't see it as a limitation. See it as something that we can push more forward, our emotional part. Anyway, to show this, you need to stay healthy. Stay inside. And soon we meet each other on stage, backstage, or on any place on the world. Thank you.